excuse how I look. So today is move-in day for me. It's really just the Ari's moving in today, but I'll give you a little tour of my room so far. It's actually pretty spacious, but I haven't like unloaded anything. I think I'm gonna bring Kennedy to help me unload, but for right now my parents have helped me unload. You guys want to wave, daddy? Yes, we got everything off. We got my clothes and my refrigerator down, and I will catch you guys. I'll probably do like a stop motion or whatever that's called when I'm unpacking everything, and then show you what it looks like. So bye. Hi guys, sorry I still look crusty and I forgot to vlog properly. I don't know why these girls are staring at me. The nosiness. Okay, anyway, we're going inside of Target right now because I need to get sheets and some other stuff, and I'm with Ariana and Kennedy. They're gonna help me move the rest of my stuff. My parents are so cute when I left them. Like, they were like, are you sure you don't want us to blah blah blah? And I feel bad because I'm gonna miss them and whatnot, but yes, I'm just gonna get in here and get a couple things, and then I'm gonna
There's like a fight or something happening over there.
Oh, there's a fight. Oh, let's see. Oh, I wasn't even recording. Look, y'all, a punch was thrown. You missed it right there. Little gang bang powwow going on over there. Let me not be nosy, but yeah, we're gonna go into Walmart now, and then this is definitely Target. The disrespect. We're gonna go into Target and get some things, but low-key I don't need to get much because I just kind of grocery shopped in my parents' fridge. So yeah, I'll catch you guys. Okay guys, so my cart is full. The last thing I wanted to get like tablecloths and then cut them and maybe use them for my shelf. But actually, I think I might not get that. I'm just gonna like vibe with what I have now. So yeah, I will catch you guys back at my dorm. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back in my room now and it's like 9 something at night, and I'm gonna start unpacking, but I'm just gonna time lapse this part, and then yeah, I'll show you guys hopefully when it's done. I might show you after I go to the store tomorrow with my mom. I still have to get a couple things like a Swiffer and like seat cover thingies, but yeah, after that I will go ahead and give you guys a tour. So yeah, let's get into the unpacking part. Hey guys, so right now it's like 10 something and I have an RA meeting in like an hour, I think, but I just got some more stuff from the store. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have it sitting on my bed, on the beds and the other bed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set that up, and yeah, I think I'll just go ahead and do another time lapse so you can see me setting up decorations and whatnot, and then I'll give like a room tour later when it looks how I want it to look, because right now it still doesn't look how I want it to look, but yeah, okay. Guys, I'm so dumb. I literally read this sign right here and I thought it said G Ripper, not Gripper. So stay in school. Stay in school. Yes. Like wallpaper thingy from Target or Walmart actually, and then I put it here and I feel like it looks so much better than what was there before. but like I know this looks tacky, but y'all, still it looks better than it did before. And I think I might put that same like papery stuff onto my desks because I don't know, I just feel like that would look better, but I might do that later because I'm kind of like way too lazy to do it now. But yeah, so we'll just see. I think I might actually do it like this since I cut a bunch of extra pieces. That probably would make a lot more sense. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then try to hang up my lights and my tapestry and get some pictures up and whatnot. And yeah, so I will catch you guys after. Maybe I still have to go to my meeting and then guys, so I know that I said that at the end of the video I would be giving like a tour, but things just aren't looking the way I want them to look yet. Like I still need to get pillows and then some like light up signs, and then more of my pictures need to come in, and then I've got a leak in my ceiling. So I think I'll give you guys a room tour at a later date when I have everything that I want. But for now, yeah, this is my room. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.